the soft glow of the night light, Mira and Hussein prepare for sleep, unaware of the mystery lurking beneath their bed. A strange, muffled giggling disrupts the quiet, sparking a mix of fear and excitement in their eyes. Hussein cautiously descends, peering into the darkness under the bed. As Mirha nervously clutches his pajama top, he spots something small and furry. Then a sudden sneeze shatters the silence. "What is it?" Mira asks, her voice barely above a whisper. The giggling escalates into unrestrained laughter, sending Hussein scrambling back in surprise. In the dim light, Mirha and Hussein cautiously approach the bed, flashlight beams cutting through the darkness. A tiny, fluffy giggle monster is revealed, rolling around in laughter, its googly eyes wide with joy. Mirha, feigning bravery, contorts her face into a comical mask, crossing her eyes and sticking out her tongue. The giggle monster's laughter intensifies, its form bouncing with each joyous peal. Miha and Hussein exchange smiles, realizing the monster is harmless and genuinely amused by their antics. They launch into a flurry of silly faces and gestures, each one unleashing a fresh wave of louder, more infectious laughter from the giggle monster. In the heart of the family living room, Mira and Hussein, brimming with excitement, lead Abu and Ami into the room. Abu casts a doubtful glance, while Ami remains open to her children's mysterious surprise. With a theatrical flourish, Mira and Hussein whip back the covers, revealing the giggle monster beneath. The giggle monster erupts in laughter, its form shaking with uncontainable mirth, prompting Abu to exclaim, "Ye monster togar mine reina, chahiye, hansika tufan la tahai."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.